It's a 2019 BMW X3. This X3 is versatile and nimble enough for the urban jungle and capable enough for your next road trip. It comes with great features you love: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, auto dimming mirrors, driver memory seats, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seat, abundant cargo space for its size. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive a BMW. Take it for a test drive today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.